Hello everyone, welcome you all. In this session, I'm going to show you how to open an incognito mode of a browser using an Selenium WebDriver. So let's get started. In case if you are new to my channel, do subscribe. Let me open my Eclipse IDE. So here I have created a package called Chrome Options and a class name as Incognito Demo. And here I wanted to launch this web browser session in an incognito mode. So for that we need some set properties, right? System set properties to be done. So for that I will be using WebDriver API Manager. So this will get my exe file and the system set properties. All this will be handled by my WebDriver API Manager. So then after we are need to launch our browser in incognito mode. So using the Chrome options only we can set some parameters. So for that we need to take the Chrome options. So we need to create a Chrome options object. So Chrome options equal to new Chrome options. Yeah, once we ready with it and using this options, so we need to get this options and add the argument, and we need to pass the argument here. So we need to pass the arguments as double quotation and hyphen hyphen incognito. So this will help my Chrome option to launch in an incognito mode. But this Chrome option we cannot directly provide to the Chrome instance, but we need to set some desired capabilities. So desired capabilities of my Chrome browser. So for that I will be using desired capabilities. So using desired capabilities I need to create an object for it again. So new desired capabilities, right? So once we get it, and using this object of desired capabilities I need to set the capability. To set capability I need to pass some values here. So those values will be, I need to pass the Chrome options. So Chrome options dot capabilities, and we need to pass this capabilities, and in the key area, key in the value section, we need to pass this value section as an options, so which is an Chrome options. So again we need to merge this both options using this options command. So I need to use this options, right? Options dot merge. So I need to merge the capabilities. So I need to merge both the Chrome options and other capabilities. So this is the setup that required to launch an incognito mode. And next we need to use the WebDriver instance, like WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver, and then after using driver dot get I will be launching the, so this is, I wanted to do it in an incognito mode. So let's quickly save it and launch this program. I think I need to provide these capabilities to pass in the Chrome driver parameter. So let's do it. That is the reason I'm not seeing that options to be added here. So let's provide these options in our Chrome, right? So that is the reason it has launched in a normal browser. So let's again rerun the program. It has launched instance. Yeah, now you can see it has started in the incognito mode. Here you can see the incognito mode. So this is how we launch our browser session in an incognito mode. So only we need one parameter, which is an add arguments to the Chrome option, which is an incognito mode, and then later we need to create a object for desired capabilities, and we need to set the Chrome option capabilities, and we need to pass the Chrome options here, and we need to create one more line of code which merge the both options and the desired capabilities, so that we can pass this option to our Chrome driver instance. I hope this session is useful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, do subscribe. Thank you for watching.